Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the megaphone in Grow Garden 2 and how to play the random sounds in this gear. So, first you need to get the megaphone. You can buy it at the gear shops with 8,000 cycles. You can buy it for 8,000 cycles. And once you buy it, you will have your own megaphone like this. And in here, you can play custom sounds using audio IDs. And to use it, just equip your megaphone like this, and then just tap on this gear icon. And then in here, you can enter your sounds ID. For example, in here, I want to enter this sounds ID, and then to play it, just tap on it. Okay, but in here I don't know why this microphone can't play these sounds. But in here I want to try to play another sounds ID. In here I want to use the random sounds on here. Just tap on this dice icon, this one, and then I want to try to play the sounds. Just double click on the microphone like this. You can see it like this. And another ID. Okay, just like that. I don't know why this microphone can play for the Psalms ID, the Psalms audio ID, but you can just try this step to try your microphone. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.